Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 6, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. The market just carved out a bit, so it goes pretty nicely above this important resistance here, which is going to be a 51.50. And right now we are at 51.78. Very, very important day for the market. I know volume was pretty light, like 46 million just traded right now so far for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF. Light volume means market just going back to the bullish momentum and buoyant to the upside. And the market just had a great move actually, just going higher to this important supply area. If we get above this, I should say the correction is over and we are not getting back to this kind of like a 46, 4800, and that was it. That was kind of like A, B, and then C wave is just doesn't go exactly a classical C wave. It's just forming a W pattern and going back to the upside. However, again, we need to see kind of like a close above this. I'm kind of like expecting market still going back to volatility. Next week we will have like a May 15 CPI number is coming as well. So we should see still volatility is here, but I believe that when May correction is over, we're gonna see three good bullish months down the road. June, July, August is going to be a very, very bullish. They're going to be a very bullish, and I believe that the May correction is kind of like a good buying opportunity for us, which had a kind of like a very, very sharp sell-off to here, 5 to 10% correction, bounce back up. It didn't go C wave completed yet. So still, fingers crossed for kind of like a see better picture for the market right now. We just give market benefit of doubt to the upside. Moving on to Nasdaq, which still that's why I'm not super bullish on that, just because we are just heading to this trend line and also this wide range bar as well. So here, if you see some kind of like a volatility to the downside, still don't be surprised. But if we break through above this, I should say, this is kind of like the candle here, somewhere around 18,400. If we get above 18,400, a pullback could be a fantastic buying opportunity because I don't think market is going to give us some more correction down the road. So this means like a market is getting back to the upside, and we should just give market benefit of doubt for a rally to the upside. Moving on to US30, which is Dow. Dow just performed nicely, going higher, triggered this W pattern. Actually, Dow just triggered better. And right now we are just at this supply area. If we get above this, the supply area pullback could be bought by buyers and getting back to the upside. So as you see here, I'm just changing the structure to the bull side as market is just going higher. Still, we will have another week to May 15, but after May 15, I would take any correction to the upside. Moving on to gold, which kind of like is showing a life here. Gold $22 up. I believe gold is just poising for another upside, and the correction is over. So if you see some kind of like a pullback, I should say this is going to be a good buying opportunity. Any close above 2,400, that's going to be a fantastic bullish momentum to the upside. So I don't think gold is going to just go lower and lower. Moving on to silver, which kind of like a confirmation for me, stochastic just crossover nicely. MACD crossed over nicely as well. So this is kind of like a hidden divergence. Perfect hidden divergence, perfect bullish candle here. So we just got a 3% to the upside, 88 point to the upside, which is kind of like a very, very bullish signal for silver. Silver just reacted to this, demanded it, just touched it and didn't get even closer to 25.47, which was kind of like my level to buy. So we have some silver shares that we just keep it and didn't give us chance to accumulate more, at least for now. Moving on to crude, which kind of like a positive today, just a bounce back up and kind of like a reacting to this important demand area. So if it goes below this 76, I believe crude can go even lower. But right now, we just seeing a reversal sign. So crude can get back to the bullish momentum. sooner or later. Still, geopolitical tensions in Gaza area is important. Hamas and Israel peace negotiation is ongoing. However, there are some mixed news coming, and that's why market is kind of like hesitant to either direction. Moving on to individual names, starting with bond yield. Bond yield after a crash on Friday just bounced back up, and it is kind of like a very, very identical price action here. We just got to this demand area, going back up nicely. We can get to 4.90 for a next sell-off, I believe. So this is going to be a dead cat bounce and nothing more. The reason is here, Treasury. So bond yield was up, but Treasury was kind of like bottoming and just getting back to the bull side. A Treasury close above 92, that's going to be very, very bullish. A VIX just zero change today. So spike up and then sellers to control, zero change, nothing compared to Friday's session. Moving on to Dixie, Doji bar here, nothing spectacular. Magma indicator just hiking higher. Apple just going down, but after hours, just getting back just a couple of cents more gain. Amazon just hiking up nicely, 188.70 after hours. Just took a loss, but nothing special. Meta just going back here, $13 up, 465 right now. Microsoft, a good pattern here. So Microsoft is getting back to the bullish momentum. It just got above this important pivot. This means Microsoft is just forming a very messy W pattern here, getting above this 4.12, 412, and then pullback could be a great buying opportunity. If it goes above this wide range bar, which is going to be 426, then correction is over. Microsoft is getting back to the bull side. Google, 86 cents up, not a bad price action at all. It's just going back higher. Netflix, $17 up, pretty good price action. Netflix just getting back to the bull side. Tesla, $3.50 to the upside, a good price action as well. So Tesla needs to get back above 200 level to show us some bullish momentum is going to continuing. Semiconductor index, which was kind of like the hope for today, kind of like a positive sector, going back up nicely, $4.94 up. Stocks at $4.49 up. Taiwan Semiconductor, $1.27 up. AMD, $5.18 up. AMD just forming a nice W pattern here, and it's just getting back to the bull side. If AMD goes up above 165, I should say this rally is started. NVIDIA, pretty nice surge to the upside, 921. NVIDIA could get to 1,000 level anyone soon. Texas Instrument just breaking through this bullish consolidation after hours, just took a hit, but nothing bad with the market right now. Lam Research going here as well. Nice W pattern here. If it goes above 940, that means W pattern is intact. Moving on to financials, bull flag just triggered today nicely with XLF, 52 cents up, a good price action here. That's what I say. Bullish pattern is all around different stocks, different names. So if you want to just call correction is going to continue for a stock market, for indexes, that's going to be very naive, I should say, because individual names, individual ETFs are forming very, very bullish. KBE, the same pattern here, bullish consolidation. KRE already broken up above this bullish consolidation, this trend line. So this is very, very bullish for the banking sector. JP Morgan, good price action today, $1.49 up. This is perfect scenario for bulls. Bulls can get back to the bullish momentum. Goldman Sachs, the same pattern here. Get that. So it's ripping to the upside. And Bank of America, 44 cents up. Good price action. Bull flag triggered. Wells Fargo, the same pattern. Weaker, but the same pattern here. Moving on to the gold miners, they just triggered to the upside, 77 cents up. GDXJ, $1.16 up. Good bullish consolidation. AEM, $1.09 up. Newmont, 73 cents up. And also Franco-Nevada, look at that, just a gap, 2%, 2.39% to the upside. Pretty good surge. Franco-Nevada, $1.26. That's fantastic. So we can get all the way to 134 as well. Moving on to gold Barrick, this one is lagging today, just 21 cents up and nothing more. Moving on to the XLE, which is Energy Spider. Rejection from 94. So this one is coming down. XOP is coming down $1.87. OIH at $4.56 down. Sorry, up. Still within this wide range bar, so there's nothing changed right now. And also Exxon, just that doji bar here. Still, this means a correction is not over yet. And Chevron here, just a bullish pattern, bullish candle here, but rejection from this 163 is very, very solid. So this means potentially head and shoulder is gonna just trigger sooner or later. But we'll see. All right. I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please just smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.